In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Steam EA account and unlink Steam from EA. If your Steam profile is currently connected to the wrong EA account, or you simply want to remove that connection before linking a different one, this process is done from your EA account settings. It's fairly straightforward, but it's important to go carefully so you don't unlink the wrong account by mistake. To begin, sign in to your EA account by opening the EA account settings page. Make sure you're logging into the exact EA account that is currently linked to your Steam account. This part matters because if you sign into a different EA account, you won't see the Steam connection you're trying to remove. If needed, take a moment to confirm you're in the correct account before moving on. Once you're inside your EA account settings, go to the Connected Accounts section. This is where EA shows all external platforms and services that are linked to your account. The page is designed to help you manage those connections in one place. So this is where you will be able to review what's currently attached. In the list of linked accounts, find Steam. Look carefully through the connected platforms until you see it. If Steam appears there, that confirms this EA account is the one currently connected to your Steam profile. It's a good idea to pause here and double check before making any changes, especially if you manage multiple gaming accounts. After you've found Steam in the list, click Unlink and follow the confirmation steps on screen. EA may show warning messages or reminders before the unlink is completed, so read those prompts carefully. They're there to make sure you understand what happens when you remove the connection. Continue through the confirmation process until the unlink is finished. And that's it. Once Steam has been unlinked from that EA account, the connection is removed. If your goal is to use a different EA account with Steam, this unlinking step is the key part of the process before moving forward. As a final tip, make sure the unlink has fully gone through by checking the connected accounts page again. If Steam no longer appears in the list, then the account has been successfully disconnected. Taking that extra few seconds to verify can save you confusion later. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly change your Steam EA account connection and unlink Steam from